Ladies and gentlemen, this C8 Z06 is fire after this wheel swap. Hello everyone and welcome back to Brink of Speed. I am back in front of the Wheelcraft tent and looking at a beautiful 2023 C8 Z06. It's the 70th anniversary and it's got some absolutely beautiful C8 ZR1 wheels, replica wheels, and the same similar blue that GM actually put on for the OEM actual ZR1 wheel. And so just wanted to walk you around this and show you exactly Jay from Huntsville, Alabama, his beautiful, beautiful C8 Z06 and these amazing ZR1 wheels in the blue color. Now Wheelcraft, like I've said many, many times, if you're not familiar with them, this is Wheelcraft. And they have a PVD process that they do chroming with. And there's a chrome wheel for you that they've done. They do black chrome as well. Let me show you that. So this is their black chrome wheel. It's a Z06 wheel in black chrome. But these, as you can see, are ZR1 wheels. And this is their brand new blue color. And I think it looks absolutely gorgeous on this pearl white. So he ordered these wheels from Wheelcraft. Wheelcraft sent them to him. And then he took it to his dealership, had them install them. His dealership packaged the old wheels, his OEM wheels up in a box and shipped them right back to Ed at Wheelcraft. And very, very simple process. It's only about $1,300 to $1,700 for you to do this process. Now on these, it's going to be a little bit different because he bought a different set of wheels. So a little bit different on these. But if you're doing those that I showed you over there, the OEM style wheels, that's exactly what you'd be doing. So just wanted to take you guys around this car, show you it, let you see how beautiful this is on the Z06. So on your car, since these are totally different wheels, was it the same process or did you have to pay extra to get the ZR1 replica wheel?
I bought the wheels and then he did the...
Oh, okay. So you bought them?
Yeah, I bought them. I was going for that ZR1 look.
Yeah.
The one on the new wheel they got on it. So I found the wheel and they couldn't do it to be MRR's who I bought the wheel for. And they had the wheel, but I couldn't get them to do the blue. So I reached out to Ed and he said, we hadn't done it yet, but we'll try to get close.
Okay.
So we looked at it real close and he gave me a couple of options and that's what we came up with.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. So yeah, he was proactive. He bought some wheels from MMR and they are the ZR1 replicas, and then he had those sent to Ed at Wheelcraft. Wheelcraft did their best to try and match the ZR1 blue wheel, and then they, shipped them to him after that. So that's the different process than their normal process, but you can do that with any wheel you want. Wheelcraft will work with that wheel company. In fact, if you buy a brand new wheel, you can actually have that wheel company ship it to Wheelcraft, and then Wheelcraft can take that wheel, put the actual color on it, and then ship it to you. So everything will be linked in the description below for Wheelcraft. Reach out to them. Again, his name is Ed, and shoot him a call or a text. Let him know that you're interested in his product for your C8 Stingray, E-Ray, or Z06. Or if you're getting a ZR1 coming up soon, let him know you're interested in it for that, and he will give you a quote. And he'll even ship wheels like the one I showed you, the black chrome wheel to you, so you can put it up against your car and see if it looks good. He'll do that for you as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Give Jay a big congratulations on the way his beautiful Z06 looks. I hope each and every one of you have a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you guys out on the road.